Hey, how you guys doing right now? I just want to give you a quick rundown on what the video you're about to see is. We had 3 combine 150K accounts that we copy traded with 2 contracts each. So I never went over 2 contracts throughout my trading for the 5th of March. We went into this morning with $1,000 left in all 3 of those accounts. We copy traded and made $2,200 in each account for a total of $6,600 across all 3 accounts. So we're going in tomorrow with a little more cheddar in our bank. I'm going to give you a quick rundown of what the purpose of this channel is. Use the bookmarks to find out which section of the video you'd like to see most or first. If you're into futures and into day trading and into the NASDAQ, all of it's education. It's all perfect. I'll see you guys out on the markets. Thank you. How y'all doing? Welcome back to RLTW Strategies. The purpose of this channel is to work as a trading journal for myself and entertainment or educational purposes for you. So with that, let's go jump into the pre-market for the 5th of March. I'll see you guys on the markets. Let's go ahead and go over the pre-market discussion. What we see on the paper account, last night's trading session came down into the inefficiency zone. At the top of this green block, we put that level there from that last wick, right? Got touched there, got touched here. Price kind of was deciding if it was going to continue to go higher. Last night, 02 in the morning, we got down to that level and hit the top of the box. We're revisiting that right now. The time is 09 in the morning. So the next 2 levels, most likely if it's continued to go down, is going to hit this level right here where price previously hit as resistance. Break that box, we may go here. If we break this level, we're going to get into this inefficiency zone and then come down to this level. That is what I see happening today. I don't think we'll go below 17,864 today. I think it might bounce up and reverse back. Very likely to go down to this level. If not, at market open, we could bounce on top of this box and head back into the inefficiency zone and possibly come up to this level right here. But I don't think we're going to continue reaching the all-time high today. I don't think that's going to happen. Let's get rid of this box. So most likely to come back to this level. Let's mark that. Let's mark it light blue. Let's give it a little thicker line. That way, when you come up to it, that is what I said at 09 that we may hit and reject off of. We may bounce off on top of this line and go up and back into the inefficiency zone. If we bounce and get rejected either at that level or this level, we're going to continue coming down to the bottom of this box and hit this level. I think that is a most likely scenario. We have some news coming out today. Let's go ahead and look at the ES real quick. The ES came down just as well last night. We're hitting a level here. That's where price is currently at. We had a large candle get rejected. We came back up to the level, got rejected, came through. That level is from here. So that is from February 22nd, Thursday. So that level might be in play. If we continue coming down, we may bounce off this level because we did it previously back here a week ago twice, all right? And we bounced off here on the 1st of March last week. So we may bounce on this level and go up. Dollar, I'm just observing the dollar. Let's look at the Magnificent 7 real quick. So everything is down except NVIDIA, of course. NVIDIA is up almost to 860. Apple is at 171. Microsoft might have a slow grind today. We'll see at market open. So with that, we'll go ahead and continue monitoring until market open at 9:30. And I will be back with you guys at 10 minutes till, 5 minutes till 9:30. I will get back on the stream or the recording and we'll watch the market open. I'll see you guys later. Thank you. It is almost 5 till market open and now we're going to take the time and observe what we see. We're bouncing off that green box on the 4 hour. Let's look at the 15-minute. Should we do the 30-second opening range? We'll do the 30-second opening range today on this account with 4 contracts. We are currently at 48. We lost 2,000 yesterday on the paper account. Go ahead and watch the opening range on that one. The Mag 7, Apple's coming down. And pre-market, we got Microsoft debating whether it wants to bust through the VWAP. The thing we have to watch out for is very plausible that we're gonna refill the gap, all right? refill the gap from yesterday. So roughly this level, somewhere in this area, we may refill the gap. Gap fill in purple, so we'll watch that. Same thing for the NASDAQ. We could refill the gap. And if we break the VWAP, that might be a very plausible approach. We're hitting double bottom on the 15-minute, we're hitting double bottom on the 30-minute, and we're hitting double bottom on the hour. So could this be a valid double bottom? On higher time frames, that's what it looks like to be the case. 2 minutes till market open. Play the opening range candle. I have a copy trade set up on those 3 accounts with $1,000 each. 2 contracts each every time we go into a position. So I feel like we got a rotation going on right now. I want to try to capitalize on it. So we've got the Mag 7 all perking up right now. I don't know if this level is going to hold up at the top right there. We're in the 50% range of this consolidation zone on the ES. We came down to this low and bounced off pretty hard. These are, I'm trying to edit the video from yesterday right now. Normally I'd go in long right here, and that's where I lose my money. ES is at the point of control. We're flat right now. We're not in a trade, just watching. Watching and feel like I'm missing out on movements. 15-minute has a good candle, although it could still be a bearish flag. 30-minute has a good point, a reversal point right here. We could watch out for that again. This could be a reversal point. Still down 300 points on the market. ES is coming down. NASDAQ could just be tired of dropping. Dang. Could reject the bottom green band, could reject off the yellow box, it could reject off the EMA. NASDAQ's moving pretty hard to the VWAP. Apple just broke through the VWAP finally. Here's that parallel channel. We're on that second trend line. Scared to hold it. Scared to hold it. Did I get knocked out on commissions? 30 minutes before bar speaks. I'm going to wait off till bar speaks. I'm going to go ahead and continue editing. So real quick, I saw the market moving. I thought I was this climb right here. All these pullbacks, I tried to go long and just got destroyed. So currently I am only up 230 in each account, and we lost all that profit earlier today. Trying to move it up, trying to follow the trend up, or thought it was breaking the trend, but just terrible all around. Like, I want to get into it right now, but it's just going to collect liquidity and continue to drop down, I believe. So yep, that's it. That's how trading goes. It could bounce here finally, bouncing off that level. Bar is going to speak in 20 minutes. We should probably just wait. Got a huge drop on the NASDAQ. You can see the ES. Make sure the mic's on. All right. We can see the ES is broke outside that consolidation area. Now we're just watching to see what the NASDAQ's going to do at this level. Got a good bounce off the bottom. Bar speaking. That could have grabbed liquidity.
Order filled.
We go ahead and retest that, hopefully. We've got 10 minutes before bar speaks. Let's hope for a spike. Target is 18,028.
Stop filled.
400 in each account. Bullish bias all day. Bar is speaking in 4.5 minutes. One more pop. One more pop. One more pop. One more pop. Oh. All right, back to 922 in each account. Sorry about the headphones. I was trying to finish the video from yesterday and then trying to edit this video after all this is done. There's a soccer game this evening. All right, Harker is talking right now. Let's see what Topstep TV has to say about that. ES is back in the consolidation zone right here. Dollar's coming down. NQ could be in this consolidation range for sure. All right, so I see we're at the top of this zone area. The same consolidation zone that I placed. Target is 18.082. It's hitting stops, moving up. There might be a pullback soon. That was a good gap on the candle. Let's see if it holds. Nope. All right, so up 1,000 in each account. Breaking outside the box. Let's see if it rejects. It's in the middle of lunch, so bar is speaking. We're breaking that box. We might come back down and retest. I have a target here from the all charts. I am back. We touched the EMA. We're in the 50% area of that consolidation. I still have the paper account open. Let's see, the Magnificent 7, Apple was up. It's coming down. It had a double top. Microsoft had a double top. Nvidia hasn't dropped yet. We may continue dropping. Currently up 1,000 in 3 accounts for 3,000 today. We were, I think, at 1,400 or 1,200. We'll see if we could do another trade after lunch. There's still plenty of trading time left. That was a good bounce off the EMA right here. Got 15 minutes before market opens. ES is coming down to the bottom of that box. It's about to break. We got a spike up in Apple, Nvidia.
Order filled.
That was a good entry. 2 contracts at a time. 50% range on, got stuffed out. Good trade. It was a quick $210 on each account. So it's possible to have XFA and trade with 1, 2, or 3 contract sizes. Today I traded all 2 contract sizes the whole time on 3 different accounts. Copy traded 3 different accounts. All right. We were down in them today. We were up, we were down, we were up, we were down. Just try to stay patient, stay level-headed, stay disciplined. I have a hard time moving my stops, so lose anything. Here we go, retesting that bottom again. ES2, ES is retesting that bottom again, right down here. So ES is below the 50% area, coming down to the bottom of that box. Coming back down, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute. 5 minute has 3 double bottoms with a projected target about above the VWAP a little bit. I don't know if it's actually going to happen. That's just an assessment off of the data it's received so far. So ES looks like it's turning around. We're down 340 points. Here we go. I should enter now. 330 and it's starting to move up. Let's check the Mag 7 real quick. Microsoft's moving up a little bit. Nvidia's moving up. Tesla's moving up. S&P's moving up. We're above the, let's see if it breaks through that. We got to break that EMA. We got to break that EMA and retest the EMA. I still have my paper trade open, and I got a lot of trades on today. It's crazy. Dollar's coming back down. That might bring the NASDAQ up. Tesla's moving. Microsoft's moving. Apple's still coming down. Let's see if Apple bounces off the, let's see if Apple bounces off this area. 170.25. Looks like it is bouncing off that level. Apple's failing to hold that level. ES is below the point of control. We may be dropping some more. We break this box. We're gonna go short if it breaks. 4th bottom. It's breaking through. Or it's trapping people. We're at the bottom of the consolidation zone on the ES. So it rejected off that zone, rejected off this level right here. Broke through, consolidated, came to retest, it got rejected, came back down. It could come down to here and come retest and get rejected as well. So missed out on a nice long day of short. Well, this area wasn't a good area to trade anyways. I'm surprised we got out of it with some profit. Outside the consolidation range on the ES, coming back into it, got a new low. This thing is just gonna grind lower. Almost 400 points today. We had a 500 point day when the Nvidia produced their earnings. That was a pretty good day. 1400, we'll have some liquidity coming in the market. That could have grabbed liquidity for price to continue downward. We could reject off the bottom of this box of the consolidation range and come down. That's a possibility. We're creeping up to it. Dollar's starting to come down a little bit. Microsoft, Apple's starting to turn around. Tesla's coming back down. Just watching and waiting, trying to be patient, trying to learn patience. Go rejection. False drop or pop. That could have been a liquidity pool to collect stops as people thought it was going to come down. Possibly could be the reversal for the afternoon. Apple's rotating hard.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Just a little $100. Let's see if it comes back down again. Damn, that could have been $400 right there. It's a good candle on the 5 minute. We got 1 minute left. Let's see where it goes in the next minute and a half on this candle on the 5 minute. I got 30 contracts on the paper account. Totally unrealistic. It is 1400. We might get liquidity coming in the market right now. Microsoft's still coming up a little bit. Apple, dollar's coming down. ES has to get back in that consolidation zone to the EMA right here. Let's see. So ES has to break the pivot point up to the upside and get into this box to hit the EMA if we're going to continue going up to the VWAP or to this next pivot point. So same thing with NASDAQ on the 5 minute. We have to break this lower limit level, bottom of the box, right? Get into the box, get to the EMA, break up above it, getting in this area, this low volume area to bounce off the VWAP, or it could bounce off the box and come back down. Two different options, two different plays. That's what we got to be patient and wait for. I went long here. What we got right now. ES rejected off this pivot point, rejected off the bottom of, looks like it's bouncing off the 12 o'clock low. We got the dollar coming down a little bit. It hasn't really broke the pivot point down here. NASDAQ broke through this level, so I'm glad I got out of that $900 move. That would have been a $1,500 move with the amount of contracts we had. We had 4 contracts in each one. This might be a small little pullback. Let's get the Mag 7, Apple, Microsoft's pulling back, Google's pulling back, Tesla's pulling back. It's a key level right here. Let's see what happens to it. We're up 10 grand, 41, 40. Remember, we started at 48. We started at 48. Let's see if it rejects at this level. EMA, it's coming up to the EMA. Looks like we rejected off that level. We may drop. Dollar's still dropping though. All right, I'm gonna be done trading today. All right, thank you for watching yesterday's trading action. We were up in one account, $2,200. The other 2 combined accounts, I did something when I was switching accounts to look at the progress that it took it off the copy trading. So the first 2 accounts, we went ahead and made, I think, 1,200 in each of those accounts, and then the number 37, we made 2,200. And then I was done trading after that last clip. So I'm editing the video for today's trading session. It wasn't that good. We ended up resetting an account, number 37 actually, I think, and we are up on that one. The balance will come to you when I post the next video. I'll see you guys. Thank you for hanging out. If you made it this far, God bless you. And if you did, hit that like button. I'll talk to you guys later. See ya.